Welcome back to my YouTube channel. 2026 BMW 3 Series continues to set the benchmark in the compact luxury sedan segment, blending dynamic performance, elegant design, and cutting-edge technology. As one of the most iconic models in BMW's lineup, the latest 3 Series refines its winning formula with subtle yet meaningful updates that reinforce its status as the ultimate driving machine. At first glance, the 2026 3 Series sports a refined exterior design that's evolutionary rather than revolutionary. BMW has opted for a cleaner, more modern front fascia with slim OLED headlights and a more sculpted kidney grille that maintains the brand's traditional identity while embracing a more contemporary look. The lower air intakes are redesigned for better aerodynamics and visual aggression, while the rear gets sharper taillights and a reworked bumper that gives the car a wider, sportier stance. BMW offers several new paint finishes and wheel designs, allowing customers to personalize their 3 Series more than ever before. Under the hood, the 2026 3 Series offers a choice of powertrains designed to cater to a broad spectrum of drivers. The base 330i retains its turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, now refined for even better fuel efficiency and smoother power delivery. With around 255 horsepower and 295 pounds-to-feet of torque, it delivers brisk acceleration and confident highway passing. For those seeking more muscle, the M340i remains a favorite, featuring a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6 with 48-volt mild hybrid technology. With output around 382 horsepower, it rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.1 seconds while offering improved fuel economy and reduced emissions thanks to the mild hybrid system. BMW hasn't just focused on power, it has also continued to fine-tune the chassis and suspension setup. The 2026 3 Series benefits from updated dampers, revised steering calibration, and improved stability control systems. The result is a car that feels even more connected to the road, offering a perfect balance between agility and comfort. Whether carving through back roads or cruising on the highway, the 3 Series remains one of the most rewarding cars to drive in its class. Inside, the cabin of the 2026 BMW 3 Series has received significant updates that elevate both luxury and technology. The most noticeable change is the integration of BMW's curved display, which merges a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch infotainment screen into one sweeping unit. Running the latest iDrive 9 operating system, the infotainment system is faster, more intuitive, and supports over-the-air updates, voice control, gesture recognition, and customizable widgets make interacting with the car seamless. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, while an optional head-up display and premium Harman Kardon sound system round out the tech offerings. Material quality throughout the cabin has been enhanced, with sustainable materials and finer finishes used across all trims. Ambient lighting, ergonomic seating, and improved cabin insulation ensure a premium experience, whether you're stuck in traffic or on a spirited weekend drive. Rear seat passengers benefit from slightly more legroom, and the trunk remains practical with a wide opening and generous capacity. In terms of safety, the 2026 BMW 3 Series comes loaded with advanced driver assistance systems. Standard features include lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. Higher trims or optional packages add lane keeping assist, traffic jam assist, and a 360-degree surround view camera system, all designed to enhance convenience and peace of mind. BMW is also placing more emphasis on sustainability with the 2026 3 Series. The production process incorporates more recycled materials, and the vehicle's architecture has been optimized to support electrification. While the fully electric i3 sedan remains a separate model in BMW's portfolio, the 3 Series itself is expected to get a plug-in hybrid variant with a significantly longer electric-only range. making it more appealing to environmentally conscious buyers who are not ready to go fully electric. One of the most compelling aspects of the 3 Series has always been its versatility. It can serve as a practical daily commuter, a sporty weekend car, or even a family sedan. The 2026 model amplifies that flexibility by offering a range of trims, from the efficiency-focused 330e plug-in hybrid to the performance-oriented M340i. Each version offers its own unique blend of characteristics, allowing buyers to tailor their 3 Series experience to their specific needs and desires. While competitors like the Audi A4, Mercedes-Benz C-Class, and Genesis G70 continue to raise their game, the 2026 BMW 3 Series manages to stay ahead by continuously refining what it does best. It doesn't reinvent the wheel, but it polishes it to near perfection. For driving enthusiasts, tech lovers, and luxury seekers alike, the 3 Series remains the go-to choice in the compact luxury segment. As BMW pushes toward a future of electrification and autonomy, the 2026 3 Series proves that the brand hasn't forgotten its roots. It remains a driver's car at heart, one that rewards you every time you slide behind the wheel. With its blend of performance, luxury, technology, and efficiency, the 2026 BMW 3 Series stands tall as a benchmark vehicle and a symbol of everything the modern sports sedan should be.